Right, so we've just arrived at today's job. Today we're doing a gym for Dapper Laughs. So Dapper's a good client of ours. We've done 2 or 3 jobs for him over the years at different locations, and we've just arrived at his new house to lay his gym floor in. So stay tuned and we're going to show you what we're up to today.
Right, so this is the area we're doing today for Dan. He's got his boxing bag in the middle and we're going to put some hexagons round. So let's get on to them hexagons.
Right, so as well as doing the flooring, we're here to do the hexagon lighting for the gym area as well. The original plan was to put 2 5 grids up, but now we've seen it, Adam has a better plan. So what are we thinking?
So we've got the 7 grid, I don't know whether you guys can see that there. What we're going to do is, just to make it better for the lighting around the boxing bag, we're going to put 2 extras on it, so we're going to make it into a 9 grid. All of these grids are customized.
So we're going fully custom.
We're going to go fully custom. We're going to be bringing the aeroplanes down with these lights today.
So never done before, 9 grids. Let's see how it comes out. So the lights are all up. Our man here is just going to wire them in so we can get them powered up. Time to start the flooring.
Gym looks a little bit whack, I'm not going to lie. We need to make it look dapper. Come on, let's go.
Right, we've only got a few cuts to do on this one, so we're just lining up with the posts, cutting around this front edge, and then we're going to lay the rest of the floor.
So the floor's all laid, lighting's up. Adam's just going to give it a quick clean behind us here, and then time for the big reveal with Dapper.
Nice. All right, the lights look sick, don't they? Yes, lads. Looks the bollocks, mate. That's going to look the nuts at night, isn't it? Wicked, lads. Thank you. All right. It's perfect, isn't it? Yes, lads. That is what I'm talking about. Bit of flooring, bit of lights. Perfect for me getting out here and doing a bit of training, eh? Get some of that there, yeah. Let's go. Fucking please. Love it in the bag, the punch bag. Anyway, yeah, garage style. Get some of that down here. Bosh! Massive shout out to Garage Style. They've done my last 2 garages, and then they've come down today to sort out my outdoor gym area, and they always smash it. It looks very, very sexy. All right, so if you need some of this work done, your flooring, your lights and all that, get on it, because they absolutely smash it.
Thanks for watching today's video. As you know, Dapper Laughs is a repeat client. Here's a sample he signed when we did one of his other jobs, as well as some other celebrities. We've got some huge celebrity collaborations coming up, one that you won't believe. I don't know if any of you recognise this logo as a quick teaser, but yeah, it's going to be a crazy collaboration, biggest one to date. So make sure you subscribe and check out our next videos.